not gonna do it now the camera's on you, huh?
Oh well. It's 14 days old.